Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Yo, why your problem?
Like how? What do you mean why my problem? I don't know why my problem. I don't have no problem. Look like me a problem to you.
So you come here dip on your phone like say you have problem.
I have no problem. Just step on the phone and check what I go and that's what me I do. That's a problem.
I will call you last night, 3 o'clock.
You called me 3 o'clock last night?
Mm-hmm.
I don't have a clue about that 3 o'clock. I'm not supposed to sleep, my girl.
Stacy no call you last night.
I don't know who name, so don't know who name, so I don't have a clue.
So like you tell, them me not looking at your phone last night when you asleep and sister Stacy call you. Who name Stacy?
I don't have a clue who name, so if you're looking at my phone, so. But me not have
Me
a
ask
clue.
you a question, who name Stacy?
I do not have a clue who name, so. I don't have a clue, I don't know nothing about that.
So you there with Stacy?
So you're going on my phone and me asleep.
Me answer your phone last night. And the girl are gonna make me know say uno meet up yesterday.
Man, that's not real. I don't know about that. I'm shocked. Nope. I don't know what you're talking about.
The girl says she come from Manchester. You don't know her?
I don't have a clue what you're talking about. If you know people from Manchester about me, there's some mind my local business right about now. I don't know where Manchester come from. I don't know where Manchester go. Where that go? I don't know.
Me can't believe say I do me them something here. No? The girl tell me say she all pregnant for you.
Joke, yeah, man. Joking thing, you You would have joking thing. Oh, you somebody that call my phone 3 o'clock. The person that mad? No one can call a man phone 3 o'clock. I send somebody that girl will be sensible.
Because look here.
Because
the
what?
girl says she named. She live in Manchester and she's 3 months pregnant for you.
Yeah, well, tell say good luck for she. Good luck for she because I don't have a clue what you're talking about. I don't know what you're chatting about. I don't want to know. I don't care about Rodney.
Me tired of it now, you know. You know say it over between me and you. Me say it over between me and you. Oh, you feel have a woman in Manchester near and 3 months pregnant. The girl 3 months pregnant.
Take your time. I don't know where I behave so far. We are sending up a blood pressure for.
No, it burned me. Don't tell me say when me take when me send up my blood pressure for.
So you are gonna send up your blood pressure but somebody will call you when me don't know about. Me don't know about the person will call you.
Then the girl all tell me some things. The girl all know my name.
See my phone here. Looking at the phone. Not looking at my phone. I see.
So why you another phone there? Why you can't give me other phone?
Me can't give you another phone?
You say you're guilty?
No, so you want another phone.
You say you're guilty?
You want another phone.
Because you know me look in there when I go in the bathroom look well now and you delete everything.
Anybody when
everything.
You see anybody when I have my WhatsApp then them not exist. So them not exist.
The girl says she named. She live in Manchester and she 3 months pregnant for you.
Yeah, well, good luck for she and her 3 months pregnant. But I don't know about that. I don't know about that.
Listen what you going to do. Yeah. You going to pack your things them and you going to live with Stacy.
Yeah, you going to live with her.
Yes.
I don't know about that. Yeah.
Viewers and subscribers, big up and respect. This is the Dancehall Skilla. And you know, when we see a video like this on social media, it reminds me of a song where the artist that is known as Shaggy, you know, him do that song, you know. It wasn't me. Yeah, but I'm not saying that because of any joking thing, really and truly, you know. I'm just saying this because this is really and truly not, you know, not a joking matter if this video is really real, you know. Things like this can cost persons' relationships. Is what I'm saying to you. So yeah, and now when we see the video, and I real know viewers and subscribers, when I saw this video, I'm saying to myself, yo, this video look like it's a stage thing, you know. I wonder if this video is really a real thing. Is what I'm saying to you, because you know persons out there will do look at acting and so forth, you know, just to entertain persons online and them things. Is what I'm saying to you. But you know, based on how me see the person acting and then me look on some of the information behind the video on social media, you know, it seems as if, you know, it is said that this is a real incident that's going on. Is what I'm saying to you. And if this video is really a real thing that is going on. You know, the whole thing about this man that is said to get another person pregnant out there other than his partner that he's with, then viewers and subscribers, really and truly, you know, it makes me look at the world and, you know, say that we are living in the day and age of social media online. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, you know what I mean? Because to see something like this on social media, you know, a lot of persons out there would try to cover up something like this and keep it within their own privacy and so forth. You know that, right? But some persons out there might not. You know, some person will try and let others know what they are going through. You see what I'm saying to you? But viewers and subscribers, on a real note though, I'm kinda wondering if this video is a real video. You know what I mean? And you know, if it is real, then we only can wish the best for a relationship like this. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah. And this video is out on social media where a lot of persons are saying, yo, if this man really get the girl pregnant, then the woman should leave the man. And some persons are saying that probably I lied to other girl I tell and all these things. And that's another point too. Again, you know, sometimes persons love to make mischief, you know. Persons will take up them phone and call to cause problem in relationships. So you have to think about all them things there. You see me I say? Yeah. Anyways, viewers and subscribers, I just showed you a video and it's out on social media where it is getting somewhat of a buzz, you know. And this video shows of a female confronting her partner, which is a male, about getting another girl pregnant somewhere out there. Alright. And viewers and subscribers, you know, a lot of things have been said about this video, you know. I mean, what would you do if you find yourself in this situation, whether you're the male or the female, you know, what would you do? And I mean, tell me what you think about this video as well, you know. Is it that somebody could have been making prank phone calls? Could it be that the person that is known as the female is just playing a prank on the male, or is it that the male is lying? Is what I'm saying to you. Should the female stay with the male, or is it that she should leave, you know? Tell me what you think about something like this, alright? You don't know me, Seriousskilla, but they have to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I want. So until the next time, my name is Seriousskilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.